Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Phan, and today I just wanted to share with you guys a typical college night routine. First, I would like to thank 𝐷 for sponsoring today's video. I'll be sharing a bit of my self-care routine later. But anyway, this is me finishing up some finance homework a little bit after class finishes. I like to think my night routine begins around 5-ish because that's when I'm done with all my classes, all my duties, my afternoon lunch type of stuff. So let's go ahead and begin the night routine. I got my nail. It's my socks. So I bought these socks. They're cushiony. Hello, Catherine. Did you have class today?
Yeah, I had one. I was trying to pinch your head, but I didn't like put it too far.
So tonight I need to cook the rest of this ground beef. So I'm gonna make bulgogi quesadillas again, or taco-ish styles. I only have tiny little tacos, so we're not gonna make big quesadillas, but that's what I'm doing. And I found this recipe, or my boyfriend found it. It's from Tiffy Cooks on TikTok. So I just use her recipe. I can leave a little ingredients list on the screen or down below, whatever I decide to do. But that's what I'm doing since it's super easy and I just want to use the rest of this that's left. So I'm gonna mix the sauce in here and then make sure that the ground beef is at room temperature. It's actually quite cold right now because the fridge here is ridiculously cold. So this is what you need for the seasoning part of the ground beef. This is all like my sauce selection. So I'm gonna mix this all up in that little mixing bowl. So I'm actually preparing all the ingredients and things like that for my dinner pretty early because I have events and things to do in between prepping and dinner. So I usually do this because it saves me time later in the day because my schedules are kind of really busy at night with events, homework, and things like that. So that's why I'm pre-prepping like simple things like sauce. It just saves a little bit of time and it makes me function a little easier.
And everything you needed, don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means, I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in
that. Okay guys, so I am prepping now for my online event. And I just washed my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and tone now. I'll be using this Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. I actually used to use this and I have a full size back home, but this toner is super hydrating. So this is going to be the look for the night. I have such tired looking skin these days, so I like to go in little circular motions, and the toner itself feels really silky smooth compared to a lot of different toners that I've tried in the past. So from a really young age, I used to use Believe a lot, like in high school, but definitely one of my favorite skincare brands out there. It's just really gentle, and although I have oily skin, I really care a lot about hydration just so that it doesn't get any more oily throughout the day. So I'm gonna overhydrate so I look alive and well. Alright, and next up I'll be using the oh so famous The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is one of my all-time favorite moisturizers on the market. I wanted to share with you guys this new Belief holiday set available at Sephora. The set retails for $38, which is actually the price of the moisturizer itself, so you're kind of getting more for the same price. I think it's great. I love it when these holiday sets give you more. So what we have in here is the eye cream, the makeup remover, or like the solid cleansing balm, as well as the hydrating toner I just shared with you guys. And this moisturizer is one of the best you guys will ever try if you haven't tried this already. I get a bit of dry patchiness in the winter, so if you are looking for a more hydrating moisturizer for the winter months, I highly suggest checking out this moisturizing balm just because it'll add back that moisture that you need so that you don't dry out in like winter wind or drier air. We don't like any of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and generously apply this moisturizer. I'm not gonna put on too much makeup for the event, so I just want my skin to look really good and hydrated. So this is the set I'm talking about, and I think it's a great value. $38 is the perfect price point in my opinion, and whoever's getting the gift, or if you're gifting it to yourself, you're getting a lot. So I'll link this down below for you guys to check out, but I definitely love the moisturizer, so why not try everything else in the set and get a feel for more of Belief's hydrating products for the winter. And from October to December, Belief is kicking off their Belief in Miracles campaign with a series of 10 holiday miracles on Belief's Instagram. So every week, one winner will be chosen to win that week's miracle, and you can nominate someone deserving of a holiday miracle at Belief USA on Instagram. So I'll leave more details about their campaign down below, but I love Belief as a brand. I've used them in the past so many times, and if you guys have watched my channel for a while, I have talked about their products and used them in my videos. So hopefully this is a miniature little throwback, but yeah, I just wanted to prep my skin and look hydrated and ready. I looked so dull throughout the day, and I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but my skin definitely already looks a bit more awake, hydrated, and it just leaves that great even glow. It doesn't look super oily, kind of like the glass skin look. It's super velvety. I love the moisturizer, it does wonders. So I'm gonna be late. So on a typical night, I usually have some sort of event or meeting to go to for my student orgs around 6 or 7. So here I'm co-hosting an event for VSA, which is always something fun to do. I love hosting events. So this was a night for my VSA community, and I blurred this out because I didn't say I was recording. So that is what I'm doing here. And it's always a fun hour or hour and a half in the middle of the week, and it's a good break from assignments.
I got one more year.
Alright everybody, so I just finished my little VSA meeting. I hosted a GM with my fellow e-boarder and friend Ashley, so that was fun. It ran overtime a little bit, but we had a cool little miniature convo. And I'm gonna go ahead and finally make my dinner. It should be pretty easy, so, and share with you guys the night. Dinner, and I'm gonna do my last piece of homework that's due tonight. It's currently 9:44 and I'm starting it right now. It shouldn't take long, but yeah, it's just like a discussion board, so that's what I'm gonna do. My night is not over. I have to like read a book, and I still have to shower, so. Ladies, we are back in the bathroom. So I'm about to shower, but I do like to remove my eye makeup or whatever I have on that's a little bit more stubborn before I get in the shower. So I have here, I think I shared this briefly earlier, but this is the makeup remover I'll be using. This is the Belief Aqua Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I actually kind of want to double cleanse my entire face today, so I'm just going to take a little bit more product and go ahead with that. All the makeup is now removed. Oh my god, my skin feels so good. But anyway, I have to hop in the shower now. I've removed my makeup, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my entire shower routine and yeah. Alright, so we are out of the shower. I have to do a little bit of skincare. After showering, I dry off my face a little bit with a towel so there's not much moisture left. So this is when you need a little bit of toner. Then when that's done, of course, I'm gonna have to reapply the moisturizing balm. So alright, and last step, I didn't do this earlier, but we're gonna go with the eye cream. This is the moisturizing eye balm, and this is for intense moisture.
Turned 19 and I dropped out for a few months in my hometown. 'Cause I'm moving on to big and better things. Got a lot of low things, but I'm up now. Keep your head on straight, don't slow down. 'Cause I'm moving on to big and better things. We stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud. I got one more year. Now I'm in a rush 'cause I'm 19, but I don't give up 'cause I'm finding everybody here's young, rich and sad.
So it is basically the end of the night. It's like 12:30 right now, and I'm trying to get some work done, but my computer, my laptop is running out of space. So I'm transferring some stuff onto my hard drive right now. It's gonna take a while, so I honestly don't even know if I'm gonna get that much done. I thought this would be a good time to pop in for a final note on this video. This was my college night routine, or evening routine really, since I just started like around 5 or like after class, basically what happens. So lots of work to do. I've been quite busy these past few weeks, but that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and thank you again to Belief for sponsoring today's video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I don't wanna be your much instead. I don't wanna be so bad. I don't wanna be so bad. I don't wanna be so bad. I'm 19, tryna move out, but I don't got no money or enough clout. I'll be writing sad songs in my mom's house.